Hi, and thank you for clicking on this video. We completely understand why you are here. You are feeling overwhelmed. You may find yourself like a fish out of water, unsure of what to do, what tools you need, the strategy, and even where to begin. You may even have some anxiety over it. So let's take a second. It's okay not to know everything. That's where Gottfried Marketing comes in. We understand how you feel. Digital marketing can seem overwhelming. It is okay to feel a bit lost. We're here to navigate all that for you and to make something you can be proud of. And yes, digital marketing is absolutely huge, from social media, Google advertising, Google Places, building a website. And where do you even begin? Where do you start? And that's why we're here. But there's an old saying that I love. How do you eat an elephant? Eat it one bite at a time. And that's what we're here to do. We're not to throw the kitchen sink at you and do that. We're going to take all this one step at a time. And whatever we can do for you, we'd love to do it. Gottfried Marketing is here for your journey. We're here to support you. And most importantly, we get it.